So it's been a while, didn't do any videos, so here we are. So are we concerning with Bitcoin? Is this just the A? We just did the B, and we are actually currently doing this C wave. So once again, if this is the scenario, target near 55k. As you can see, also the MA 200 it's catching up now, is getting a 54. So anywhere between 54 and 55. By the time if we go down, I take that road. Right now, the other option is we already start to do this fifth wave, and we already completed wave 1, wave 2, very nice wave 3, wave 4 now. Is it done or not? Not sure. It could be because it did reach what it's supposed to reach, but I can go a little bit lower, and we do have the MA50. Coincidentally, I took the A wave and added to the B wave, and then the 1-to-1 ratio 65.89, and also the fib retracement 0.618, 64.753. But for sure, depending on the exchange you're using, value will change a little bit. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for a moment now. So possibility of this fifth wave now ongoing. Let me take out that. And so how high can it go? All right, so here I did the fib extension. So let me take the brush again. Okay, so I took the length of the wave 1 up to the end of the wave 2. I make the extension 2x 78,000, 2.382 fib extension, 81, let's say 500 to round it up. This could be one target for the fifth wave. All right, so this is for this way of counting. Now, there's another way we can count. So I take, once again, the length of the wave 1, and I add it to the end of the fourth wave, and this length is exactly here, 75,452, given and take. So this is another way to calculate targets. Would I prefer this count? Clearly, but anywhere between this level. So yeah, this is the big box potentially where the price it can go. Now, depending on the structure of this fifth wave, if he ever decide to do 5 waves, this fifth wave, I mean, well, this last leg up is going to have again 5 wave, right? So this is how it's going to help us when we do micro counting to gauge where should be in this block, the end or the target or the ideal target, because we do have 6,000 gap and the box is quite big. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. Ethereum, well, once again, it's doing something boring. So we need to keep our patience. Once again, trends are helpful until they're not. Otherwise, we just keep doing that and move them around, right? So for the moment, yeah, I don't know. This could be, I mean, possible. We're doing it, looks like we're doing a triangle. So maybe this is the A, B, C. So we would need a D and the E, and after that we go. And if this break, then brace for impact. I would say, yeah, it's going to go maybe join the DMA 50 at 3200 or somewhere near there. For the moment, we're not there. I don't want to speculate too much, even though I just did here, but I can see that maybe this is happening now. But yeah, we will see. Very important. A lot of people, they say, they're going to say, oh, this is bearish, but yeah, it's bearish until if we break this lower trend, right? But if you break the upper trend, then they kind of skyrocket. So in my opinion here, it's finding a way to consolidate. All right. Lido, actually Lido, it's honestly a textbook. You know, if I wanted something more perfect, for the moment I couldn't have. Everything here work, yeah, textbook, like perfect. And even the correction now, okay, now let me adjust if, because I already adjusted a little bit before, because on my last video that I was doing, we didn't have a deeper correction yet, and for the A, I mean, the wave A wasn't completed, so now I did adjust it, and as you can see now, the wave B, it cannot reach, I did tell you 0.618 to 0.786, these are ideal target for the wave B, and now it's going, so what can I do now? I just move around this. Not sure if I can move that. Can I? Yeah, okay. So for this point of view, nothing changed. I'm still expecting this final C wave of the wave 2 to reach this level. Anywhere between 196 and 210, it would be ideal for me. And yeah, once again, we can go a little bit lower, but I just don't want to add it. But 0.786, we can also go there. Actually, let me add it now and maybe take out the, yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. So we have, because we did react to the first fib retracement where the wave A usually, no, we find a reaction. All right, so for that, now quickly, Agix, it's not looking great for Agix because we also broke this downtrend. Now we do have this, yeah, point that it's acting as a support. Worst case scenario, we will have another one. Actually, let me put it now in case we are going to break it. Depends on, you know, Ethereum, what is going to do. This one, let me put it light red or something like that. And for sure, this is a key level. We must hold this level. Otherwise, we're going to pretty much sure go and get to this level here at 65 cents. And that would be very, I don't want to say catastrophic, but really not good. Good thing that we have this level here and then we have the MA 200. So catastrophic for people who bought it higher. But for people who believe in this project, this is the ideal level to accumulate. So let's see if it does get there. If it does get there, I will see how the structure and how it's doing. But otherwise, I might, you know, accumulate a little bit more. So this at the end, it could have been just a W, X, Y, X, Z. All right, so this is for Agix. Fetch, yeah, once again, it's like a copycat. I don't know who's copying who, but also broke the downtrend, and now we're going here. No, it's a little bit messy. Maybe can I take out this one? Yes. Okay, so we did broke the trend. We're here. The next support I'm looking, it's this one. So let me put it here. In case we don't hold this one, we will have that one. But now the problem is the MA, yeah, that's the MA 200 is very, very low compared to Agix. Actually, it's about the same, isn't it? All right, so yeah, those two charts very, very similar, but we honestly don't want to lose that much ground. So let's see how it goes. Ideally, we don't go lower, but if we do hold the 197, 198. Now, Avalanche. Okay, so Avalanche, we did complete, you know, or we had 5 wave up, we had 3 wave down, we completed the bigger wave 2. Now we have another 5 wave up, and now we're having still this correction here, still ongoing. Now I did the fibs. Okay, let me move it around now so it's going to be a little bit clearer. So we almost, actually we did touch already 0.618. So this cannot be a wave 4, right? Because we have wave 1, wave 2, and this has to be another 1, 2. Can it be something else? A, B, C for 1, and this is the 2. Okay, so now I do have another count that it's possible, and this would be just the A. This is the B that we're doing, and after that we're going to do the C for the wave in yellow 3. All right, so we're going to see if which one is going to work out. I think this is the count that yeah, this is not the one. This is just calculating the 1, 2 here, but I do have another count, and I'm going to share with you guys later. But yeah, so we could say maybe also that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we have another 1 here, and that would be just A, B, C. So we're going to have a 1, 2 here, okay, 1, 2 here, and then this one is just an A, B, C for the wave 1, and so we will have 1, like 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 into diagonals. Let's see how that could work out. But in any ways, how you see it, you I honestly prefer this 5-way up. It's, yeah, honestly, it's a little bit messy. It's a little bit unclear, but the only thing that it's positive that we can see off, well, I don't know, the last 2 impulsive movement, we do have 5-way up, we have 3-way down, 5-way up, and now kind of 3-wave down, still working on it, but now we really need this impulsive movement to the upside, because we need a 3rd wave, a crazy one, a spectacular one. And this is what I'm waiting for. I am already deployed in Avalanche. I have a couple of trades in yeah, in leverage. Okay, so Lido I did. Link honestly, I did have some leverage ongoing, and I took some profits, and now I believe today or tomorrow I need to check it out, but I believe we're done with this impulsive movement. I was hoping for a higher high for this 5th wave, but I'm not sure it's coming. Now we're doing something, I'm not sure what, because this was the 3rd wave, this is the 4th. Now is the 4th not finished yet? And we are doing A overshooting wave B, and then we're doing the C, and after that we go unclear, honestly. So I am going to put definitely a sell stop limit. Actually, let me calculate. If this was the A and this is the B, all right, so this is the A and this was the B. Okay, the maximum it could pull back that it should be doing, it's here 17.27.5 or somewhere there. I can give a little bit of a slack until maybe 17, give some room to the market. But also you can see the stock RSI, it's overbought, so it will have to come down. So it's going to more likely drag the price lower. Let's see how it goes, honestly. But can I put some trend line to help us maybe? Let me see here. Well, actually we do have already this one. I can just go around with this one. I think now maybe I can take out this and that. Move it a little bit around. Okay, so we are holding this uptrend line. If we ever break it, and that would be, yeah, the first signal that we were completing this correction movement. Losing 17.20, for me this is it's done, and we're going to do the bigger correction, and this was the the fifth wave. It was a kind of a shallow one, but that's part of life. Let me take the big screen now. Is this up to date? Yes, it is. So this is the correction where I'm looking. Ideally, I'm looking for 15, let's say 60 or 1570. What's the reason? Well, okay, so first of all, let's remember that we just did a dead cross. So eventually we're going to make a golden cross, maybe somewhere here. And so pricing, if it's going lower, these two are going to merge together. So it's going to make a very nice level to hold the price on. So we're going to have the MA 50, the MA 200, and the FIB 0.5. So to me, that's it's very good. So this is the level where I will scale back in, but this time heavily, because I do believe now we're meant to have this third crazy skyrocketing movement. And also the wave 2 like to go on the previous lower count wave 4, and the wave 4 was here. So if I'm able to catch it, doesn't look like. Here, wave 4. So everything coincides to this area about. So there it's where I'm focusing. Let me see here. 16 minutes, that's a long video. All right, so once again, if you have a coin that you want me to follow or analyze or try to analyze, well, leave it in, drop it down in the comments. And on that, have an amazing Sunday. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.